Friends, if you only have $1,000 today, and you are thinking, can I invest? Then let me tell you clearly, yes. You can definitely start investing today. The biggest problem is wrong thinking. People think investing is for rich people. But the truth is very different. People who start small learn faster, and they build strong habits early. Today I will show you exactly how to invest $1,000 smartly, without gambling or risky decisions. Watch till the end carefully, because I will share one secret that most beginners always miss. So let's get started now. First thing you must understand clearly. Your main goal is learning first, not becoming rich overnight. If you put everything in one place, one mistake can cost you badly. That's why today's strategy is simple. Diversification with discipline always wins. I will divide this $1,000 into 3 smart categories. Index funds or ETFs for safety, individual stocks for growth potential, cash buffer for flexibility and learning. Now let's break them down one by one. First bucket is $500 total. This goes into index funds, or broad market ETFs. Warren Buffett himself says this. Beginners should buy S&P 500 funds. Why? Because it spreads your money across 500 top US companies. Popular options you can choose. VOO with very low fees. SPY with high daily liquidity. VTI covering the full US market. Now let's talk real numbers. S&P 500 averaged 10% yearly over the last 50 years. Your $500 could become $1,300 in 10 years without adding money. The biggest benefit here is peace. You avoid daily stock stress. If the market grows overall, your money grows with it. Second bucket is $350 total. This is for individual stocks. Here we add smart controlled risk. First stock is Microsoft. Strong leader in cloud computing. Heavy investment in artificial intelligence. Also pays consistent dividends. 5-year growth over 200%. Second stock is Coca-Cola. A favorite of Warren Buffett. People buy it even in recessions. Very strong global brand. Pays dividends for over 60 years. Third stock is Visa. They earn on every transaction. Digital payments keep growing worldwide. Very high profit margins. Low business risk overall. The lesson here is important. Time in the market wins. Trying to time the market fails. Start early and stay patient. Third bucket is $150 total. This is your learning buffer and emergency safety money. Keep this as cash or in high-yield savings, currently paying around 4%. This money helps in 3 ways. You can buy during market crashes. You can fix mistakes without panic. You avoid selling stocks at loss. This buffer gives mental confidence and prevents emotional decisions. Now let's talk honestly. Social media shows fake success stories, turning $1,000 into $10,000 fast. Most of this is gambling or completely unrealistic results. Real wealth grows slowly, but it grows very powerfully. This is compound interest. If you invest $100 monthly for 30 years consistently at 10% average returns, you could reach over $200,000. So be patient always. Investing is a long marathon, not a short sprint race. Never invest money you need. Always build emergency savings first. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Now the secret strategy. Most beginners ignore this part. Dollar cost averaging is the key. Do not invest everything once. Instead invest fixed money monthly. No matter market is up or market is down. When prices fall you buy cheaper. When prices rise you already grow. This removes emotions completely. Most millionaires did this. Small consistent investments over decades. So remember these 4 rules. Index funds give stability. Quality stocks give growth. Cash buffer gives flexibility. DCA gives long-term consistency. A $1,000 can build an empire. You just need to start today. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe now. And comment your first stock buy.